Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a productive Monday for me. I have wigs to take care of, literally a whole rack of wigs that I need to take care of today, and some, to be honest with you. So I gotta do a lot of color, a lot of styling, a lot of all of that today. So hopefully I can get as much done as I can. I just wanted to take you guys along with me with what I have to do in my salon, technically on my off day, or I should say the day I don't take clients, because I don't take clients every day because I have to get wigs done, not only for my website, but I need to get wigs done for my custom orders as well as soon as possible. You know, people got events coming up, weddings coming up, so I gotta get it done. So come on in to QB Wig Collections and watch me work. Alright, gotta let that wig process. On to the next wig. I just need to finish coloring this closure part a little bit, and then I can move on to the next. On to the next one. So tired. I'm ready to go. Ooh, my face is so greasy. Gotta refill my bleach and developer. Girl. It's almost time for me to rinse this wig off. I'm gonna give it like 15 more minutes.